Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today we'll be putting some aftermarket headlights into my 2010 Mitsubishi Evo X. So these are one of one custom headlights, so I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, so let's get back into it and go from there. Okay, so these are the new headlights we're putting in. As you can see, they look really nice. So big shout out to Akretrofits. They have this really cool, like a little S right there. That's what I really like about these and decided to get them. So pretty keen on putting them in, and let's get into it. First things first, we will have to take off this part. So let's put that up there. So there's a couple clips here. Usually there will be an air box right here. I've obviously deleted that and put an intake in. So I still have to remove those clips and get one there, and one there as well. Okay, so I'm getting these out to get access to the bumper, because obviously we'll need to remove the bumper to remove the headlights. Okay, got one left over here. Okay, I'll just place them up there for now. And this should come off. There we are. And I'll place it here. So we have 5 bits holding the bumper in. That bolt, a bolt down there, and 2 over here. And then we'll have to get into taking the headlights out. So there should be one there, one behind the bumper, and looks like one over here. Okay. We'll also have to take out these clips right here and that bolt there. That also secures the bumper in, and then we'll go ahead and take the stuff underneath off. Okay, so I'm going to decide to take off the wheels now, so we can get a bit more space into taking these clips off. Yeah, so just make it easier, to be honest. So these are the ones you're going to need to take off. That one, that one's behind there. So you've got one there and a bolt right there. So now we're going to go underneath and take away all the stuff underneath holding in the bottom of the bumper. So it looks like there's one clip here, one clip here, one clip here, all along here. They've got a couple bolts holding this in, and on the same side also some here. Should be pretty easy. Bolts now, 10 mils. Should be everything down here. So we can go back down to the top. Okay, so we'll pop these out now. You will need an extension for that one down there. Place them up here so we don't get them mixed up, along with the extension. That one's loose. And that one's off. There's also a clip right there. Looks like some ducting for the bumper. So we'll take that off as well. We have a plug right here as well for the fog lights that we will release. So down here as well, looks like there is a bolt just in there holding this little trim piece on. And that comes off. Okay, so we'll just place this over here so it's out of the road. Just set it aside right there. Okay, so now for the good part. We will take out the headlights now. You'll have to disconnect, at least on mine, there's one connector on one and two on the other version of the Evo. This one has two, so you'll have to disconnect that one and that one. You need to remove that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, and one right here. There we are. And I need to disconnect this stuff. Got one. Got the other. There usually is just two though, but because this one has aftermarket LEDs in them, they do also have this stuff. Okay, so side by side here, you obviously see the differences. This is also the HID housing, I believe from the MR. All right, let's slide this one in. Okay, hold that in. Okay, before we double check, we put everything in, we'll turn the car on and see how it runs. That's low beam, like that's park, low beam, high beam. That's just daytime there, so just parks. Okay, so if you look at the difference there, that one looks so nice, much more brighter compared to this one now. So that little S right there and those halos around it will be the daytimes, and they look really nice in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these. And yeah, let's continue with it. Okay, so now we can start reassembling this side and taking apart that side. So pop that out again, bring that down if we can. There we are. Now, we need to pop these off. Yeah. I just pop this up, just so I can get a better view. Now we have a lot more room to play with. We'll take out this one too. There's one. And let me feel around. Here's the other. There we are. Okay. We'll slide that out. Pop this LED out. Let that sit down there. There we go. So this side's out now too. I'll just pop it over here and we can start putting in the other one in here. Okay, now that both of them are in, we have a nice look at what they look like. Obviously, will be even better without this plastic film on it. So at the end of the video, we'll rip that off and see how it looks with everything back together. This is what it looks like with the indicators or hazards on. Got these sequential lights going on with both of the halos flashing at the same time. I think that looks really good. So yeah, we can look at putting that all back together. Okay, we are on to putting it all back together now. So we are nearly done. Okay, so we just popped them in on the sides now. We need to put this all back together. We need to put that bolt holes in the other side for this trim piece and grill area. And connect up the fog lights again, just right here. So, here it is. Slide this back here. Okay, now for the final result, we will be taking off this plastic film now and see how it looks. Let me just put this hood down. I think that looks pretty good. I'll turn them on and get a good look. Okay guys, that will be the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Hit the subscribe button below, like and comment, see what you think of these. I'm pretty excited about them. I think they look pretty good. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.